I ran into a problem where when I closed this door, the Wi-Fi got cut off because it's inside a metal enclosure. So I moved everything over to a plastic enclosure, mounted things on a perf board so it's a little bit more robust. It's the power, and there's the voltage out, 3-phase coming in, and then the sensor for the Hall effect on the generator, and the read switch on the anemometer. So those are coming in, and the power just goes up to this charge controller here that has the 5-volt output, and the output from the buck boost converter gets connected here and goes through the charge controller for the wind turbine. So anyhow, it's all hooked up, ready to go. Now all we need is some wind. Alright, we're getting some decent winds here. And the generator is turning. So let's see what's going on with the control. Okay, I've got the iPad out with the Arduino app. I can see what the generator RPM is, what the tip speed ratio is currently, and the current wind speed. This is a chart that I just started it up again, so this is the live reading. This is the tip speed ratio. It's running around 0.6. This is wind speed, kind of oscillating between 5 and 10. So I can set what the input voltage is for the control, or the boost converter, buck boost. So anyway, it updates about every 10 seconds. If I turn it down, then it should apply the brakes somewhat, and we should be getting a drop in the tip speed ratio. So if it's at about 0.6 now, I expect it to drop. This is filtered, so it's going to take a second or two. If I crank this up, then the input voltage is at high level, so it's really not putting much load on the turbine because the generator isn't going fast enough to beat that. So we should see tip speed ratio going up. Might take a click or two for that. So the thing that has me confused is if that is the case, and it is loading the generator, what's happening to the power if I'm not showing any power going into the battery? That's the thing that has me puzzled, because it's been a while and this thing hasn't shown any watt hours of power creation. I just want to wrap this thing up before I put it away. We've had about 2 months with really no steady wind, and when we did get a little bit of wind, didn't seem like this produced anything. Just I haven't gotten a single watt hour out of it. I don't know what the problem is, maybe my controller, but I just I'm just not a big fan of three-phase generators. I'm also not a big fan of iron core, so I think the single-phase air core generator was the better fit. So I'm just going to take this down for now. I've got something else to put up on this pole, and I just wanted to wrap this up.